Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you mathematics of standard 4th. In previous lecture up to lesson number 1 to 5 we already completed and question answer exercise and PDF also completed. So all the students, you complete all the question answer of lesson number 1 to 5 in your notebook with good handwriting. Okay. Now today let us start lesson number 6, junk seller. Here heading of this chapter is given junk seller. Junk seller means in Gujarati we called it bhangar wala. Paste and all the things they are taking. Plastic material is there, iron material is there, or any other wastage is there. They collect this wastage and so they call the junk seller. So let us start today our chapter junk seller. Have you ever met kabadi wala? A woman who sells junk. This is a true story told by Kiran, who has a junk shop in Patna. This lady's name is Kiran. And this is the true story about this woman. This woman is living in Patna and his junk shop is there. Kabariwala's shop is there. Kiran says that I studied in Hindi medium school in my village. Kiran studied in Hindi medium school in her village. My father wanted girls to study like boys. Kiran's father wanted that girls to study like boys. I loved Hindi and science. Kiran's favorite subject is Hindi and science. But I hated maths. Some students don't like the maths. Like Kiran. Kiran also hated the maths. Today maths is most useful for my work. But she said that today maths is very useful in my shop because his work is only on the calculation only. I could never imagine this in school. When Kiran said when I studied at that time, I don't understand that maths is very useful now, but now maths is most useful in my work. I could never imagine this in school. When she is in school, then she never imagined that maths is very important in my life. What about you? Do you also find maths difficult? No, you all are clever students and you not like the maths very difficult. What is the most difficult thing in your maths book? In your maths book, nothing is difficult because all the chapters are very easy. What do you think is the easiest lesson? When I was young, my father died in an accident. Kiran said that when I was young, her father died in an accident. So my mother worked as a servant in some houses. So Kiran's mother went to others' house and worked like a servant. We had a difficult time when father is died. At that time, Kiran and her mother had a difficult time. I had to leave school after class 8. Up to 1 to 8 standard Kiran studied and afterward he left the school. She left the school. I wanted to study more but my mother got me married. After 8th standard, Kiran got married. She wanted to study more but her mother wanted to got married. My husband's family lived in a mud house. Kiran's husband's family lived in a mud house. There is not a pakka house but a mud house, kacha house is there. His 2 brothers and his sister did not go to school. He had a tea stall. His 2 brothers means Kiran's husband's two brother and one sister is there, but they did not go to school because he had a tea stall. Find out how much for a cup of tea. Ask people and find out the cost of a cup of tea. At a tea stall, it is about 10 rupees 5 to 10, and at a hotel it is 25, 35 or more. If a person who runs a tea stall earns rupees 30 in a day, in a one day, if any person run a tea stall, then in a one day he or she earn 30 rupees in a day. How much will he earn 10 days? If in a one day 30 rupees, then 10 days, 10 into 30, 300 rupees are there. And in a month, 30 into 30, 900 rupees. How did you get the answer? Discuss. If in a one day there is a 30 rupees, then in a 10 days, 10 into 30 means 10 multiplied by 30. 10 3s are 30 and one more 0. So 300. Otherwise you tell 10 3s are 30 and one more 0. 30 ones are 30 and one more 0. 300. So 300 rupees in a 10 days. Afterward another question is given that, and in a month means 30 into 30. There is a 900 rupees. How did you get the answer? You have to discuss this. Kiran says, I thought of starting my own business. I thought I should open a bangle shop or a tailor shop. After the marriage, after the studied and after the marriage, Kiran thought that I starting my own business. I thought I should open a bangle shop. Kiran wanted to open a bangle shop or a tailor shop, otherwise stitching work. But my uncle said that we could earn a lot by opening a junk shop. But Kiran's uncle said that if we open a junk shop, then we earn a lot of. In 2001, my mother-in-law and I opened a junk shop. In 2001, Kiran and his and her mother-in-law opened a junk shop. We took a loan of rupees 8,000 for the shop. At that time, to start this business, they take a loan rupees 8,000. What is the meaning of loan? When we borrow the money from the bank and bank provide this amount, and afterward every month we have to pay some installment and with interest. So 8,000 rupees is there. Main amount plus interest means more amount, because we used their money and so we have to pay some more amount. It is called interest. Loan means we borrow some money from bank or any other institute is there, other financial finance provide bank, other banks are there. Then we borrow this money from this bank, and afterward when we return the money, at that time we return more money, and this more money and 8,000 plus some more amount is there, and this amount is called interest. Find out what is a loan. Have you ever heard someone taking loan for what? Yes, I heard this word. How much loan was taken? 10,000. How much money was paid back? More than 10,000. Now two persons are there. Here is a Hariya and here is a Babu. Hariya and Babu want to buy a hand cart for rupees 300. 300 rupees are there, and Hariya and Babu want to buy a hand cart, Hathgadi. I have taken a loan of rupees 300 from a bank for 6 months. Hariya took a loan of rupees 300 from bank, and time period is 6 months. After 6 months, Hariya want to pay this money. But in place of 6 months, every month Hariya paid rupees 51. I will pay rupees 51 every month to the bank. Hariya taken a loan of rupees 300 from bank, and for time period is for 6 months. And afterward, Hariya paid back monthly 51 rupees every month. Means 51 into 6. For 6 months he take the loan. And so when Hariya took this loan for the 6 month, so every month he paid rupees 51. So 51 into 6 means 306 rupees he paid. So 6 rupees is the interest, because when he borrowed the money, he got rupees 300. But when he paid back, he paid rupees 306. Means 6 rupees more Hariya paid to the bank. And so 6 rupees is the interest, because Hariya used this 300 rupees for the 6 months, and so bank took the interest of 6 rupees. Means every month 1 rupees. Now another person, Babu, is there. Babu said that, but I have taken a loan of rupees 300 from Chunilal. After 6 months, I will pay back rupees 360. Here, Babu not taken the loan from the bank, but borrowed the money from some person. And so, monthly 51 rupees he not paid back. But after the 6 months, he paid 360 rupees. Babu taken a loan from Chunilal. Chunilal is a person. And so, after the 6 months, Chunilal said that 360 rupees he have to pay. And so, after the 6 months, Babu paid rupees 360. So, this way, same amount is there, same time period is there. Then also, Babu paid more than Hariya, because Hariya paid after the 6 months 306 rupees, and Babu taken 300 rupees from Chunilal. But when 6 months is over, Babu paid rupees 360. So Babu paid more amount than Hariya. So Babu's interest is more. Who has to pay back more, Hariya or Babu? We write that Babu. Babu paid more amount. People laughed and teased us about our work. When Kiran and her mother-in-law opened a junk shop, at that time people laughed at him and teased them about their work. They called it ganda kam or dirty business. Ganda kam. Ganda kam. This is the very bad, very dirty business is there. This way other people tease them. But I did not think so. But Kiran didn't think this. I knew this idea would work, because Kiran know that this idea will work. Now we have a pakka house. In place of mud house, means kacha house, now they have a pakka house with electricity. When Kiran married, at that time there is a mud house is there and there is no electricity is there. But when Kiran open a junk shop and earn some money, they make a pakka house and with electricity. We have a fridge, TV and a gas stove. This is a basic necessity of the house. Fridge, TV and gas stove. My husband's brother, sister and also my daughter go to school. Now, Kiran's husband's brother is their sister and Kiran's own daughter, they all go to school. I have 9 rickshaws. This type of rickshaws are there. And Kiran said that I have 9 rickshaws of my own. Slowly when Kiran earned some money, she one by one purchased some rickshaws. And now Kiran have 9 rickshaws. And I give the rickshaws on rent, each of 4 rupees 20 a day. These 9 rickshaws are there, and all the rickshaws they gave on a rent. And every day from one rickshaw they earn, she earn 20 rupees a day. In a one day, one rickshaw, 20 rupees. On Sunday, I do not take any money for them. Now, 9 rickshaws are there. And every day, per rickshaw, there is a 20 rupees is there. So, in one day, 9 into 20, every day 180 rupees are there. And in a week, there is a 7 days are there. So, 7 into 20, 140 rupees. How much does Kiran earn from 9 rickshaws in a day? For one rickshaw, she get 20 per day. So, 20 into 9, 180 rupees. For 9 rickshaws, she will earn rupees 180. How will you do it? Hey, I will do it like this. 9 times 2. 9 2s are 18 and 1 0 more. 9 times 20 means 180. But I find this easier. For 10 rickshaws, she will get 20 into 10 means 200. And mine for 9 rickshaws, 200 minus 20, then 180. Think of some other ways to do it. In a week, how much does Kiran earn from one rickshaw? If 1 week is there, then 7 days are there. But on Sunday, she will not give any rickshaw. So, 7 into 20, 140. Do it mentally and write the answers. In a week, 7 days are there. But on Sunday, she didn't give any rickshaw on rent. And so, we have to write this way that 20 into 6 is equal to 120. Now, 4 into 81 is 4 more than 4 into 80. 8 4s are 32. 320 plus 4, 324. If mentally we have to do, then 2 6 are 12. Now, 2 6 are 12 and 1 0, 120. Again, 2 6 are 12 and 1 0, 120. This way, 8 4s are 32 and 1 0. Now, 8 4s are 32 plus 4, 324. Now, 25 9s are and 31 9. 9 1s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So, 279. 5 9s are 45. 5 here, 4 here. 9 2s are 18 and 4, 225. 2 3s are 6 and 4 3s are 12, 126. So, this way we have to multiply mentally. Now, Kiran said that I have my own small junk shop. I buy junk from junk collector. From every area, some junk collector collect the junk, and afterward they sold this junk in the Kiran's shop, because Kiran's shop is junk, small shop is there, and Kiran collect junk from the other junk collector. So, Kiran buys some junk from the junk collectors. They go from house to house and bring junk on handcart. When junk collector is there, the junk collector go from house to house and collect the junk in their handcart, and afterward they collect this junk and afterward sell to Kiran. Sell it at a big shop, and afterward they sell it a big shop. How much to pay for this junk? Kiran has bought some junk from junk collector. From this junk collector, Kiran bought some junk, and Kiran has bought some junk from junk collector. Look at the next page, the rate list to see today's rates help Kiran to find out the cost of the junk. How much will Kiran pay for 31 kg newspaper? 1 kg newspaper cost rupees 5. So, 5 3s are 15, 150 rupees. So, for 31 kg, she pays 150 plus 5, 155. Here, rate list is given, kind of junk and price of 1 kg. Waste paper rupees 7, newspaper rupees 15, iron rupees 22, brass rupees 270 and plastic rupees 10. How much will Kiran pay for 42 kg newspaper? Also find the cost of 22 kg of plastic, 23 kg of waste paper and 12 kg of iron. So here plastic, for plastic it is given 10. So 22 into 10, 220. Now for waste paper there is a 7. So 23 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 2 here. 7 2s are 14. 15, 16. 161 for a waste paper. 220 for a plastic. Now 12 kg iron. So 270 into 10. 2700. And afterward 270 into 2 means 540. So this way 2700 and 540, when we plus, then we get the 12 kg of iron. Can you do this without writing? Guess the total money Kiran will pay to the junk collectors. Will it more than 600 or less than 600? It is more than 600. Smart Kiran sells the junk. Kiran sells her junk to a big shop. She checks the prices on her mobile phone and sells only when she gets a good price. First, Kiran collects the junk from the junk collector. Kiran buy the junk from the junk collector and afterward Kiran sells this junk in a big shop. First, she checked the price of the junk on her mobile, and when she feel that now it is a good time and good price is there, then only she sells this junks in a big shop. So smart Kiran sells the junk. Kiran sells her junk to a big shop. She checks the prices on her mobile phone and sells only when she gets a good price. If we purchase the plastic on 10 rupees and when there is a more than 10 rupees, 11, 12 or 15 is there, then only she sell the goods. Today she has gone to sell plastic, newspaper, iron and brass at Dinu's big shop. Now Kiran's junk shop is there and another person, Dinu, is there. Dinu's big junk shop is there. So Kiran now sold this junk at Dinu's junk shop because Dinu's junk shop is very big junk shop. So Dinu weighs 32 kg iron, 4 kg brass, 152 kg newspaper, 63 kg plastic. So this way, this is called the hand cart. They collect the junk in this type of hand cart. So today, this much only. Thank you very much.